Excited is Monday. Pardon my voice. My voice is cracked right now because my husband had cough and he transferred it to me. Anyways, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes and I'm back again with another mind blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. First, I have to come apologize that I did not do live stream Friday, Saturdays, and Sundays. And you guys know that one of my main goals is to always keep up to whatsoever I am promising you guys so that I don't fall from that end. But what really happened, the major update that really happened was because we have a sponsor. Like when I mean we have a sponsor, one of a friend, a sister, a YouTuber as well. So she messaged me and she said she wanted to do an outreach and she wanted me to stand in gap for her since I am in Nigeria and she wanted to do it in the location where I based, which is Port Harcourt. So I have been freaking busy. Aside the fact that my school is also dragging me back. One of the major things that has really dragged me back this week, it is the what they call it. It is the sponsorship. Okay. So let me even go and show you guys some of the baggages that we have there. You guys can see how scattered these rooms are. So these are the baggages and we are not even done. We have some extra bags here as well. We have to go to the market as well to get one or two things so that we can be able to finish up this. We have some red oil, granite oil here as well. This room is really scattered, okay? But we'll hopefully finish packaging and every other stuff today. And what to say, and that is one of the major reasons that we have not done our shout outs. We have our shout out list already because I posted a community tab, and of which I said the first 20 persons, and I was just vigilant like this, and I got the first 20 persons, but I've not done that shout out yet because of all of this phrase I'm into right now. Definitely, I'm going to be doing that shout out for you guys. You guys should just know that I will not leave anybody behind, right? And also remember that I said in every shout out, my members are not going to be excluded. I'm going to be adding my members as well, which is even if their comment is there or their comment is not there, I'm going to be adding them. Like the last one I did, I also added some of my members as well because I made you guys understand the last time that it is not easy for someone to come, subscribe, and be a membership and then be watching your content, right? So the only thing I can also do for them is to also help them grow their channel. Apart from growing their channel, also help them monetize. And then at the end of the day, they also get to enjoy what every other person is also enjoying. That does not mean that if you are among the 20 persons, you're not going to be getting your shout out. You're definitely going to be getting your shout out. The last one I did it, you can go and see the testimony there. So I am still going to do it by the special grace of God. It's not by might, it's not by power, right? By the special grace of God. I know that definitely we are going to be achieving every single thing that we so desire to achieve on this YouTube streets. I did a vlog video, right? So that I can also carry you guys along in the vlog. But I just be like, since I have not gone live for these 3 days, which is the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and of which I know that a lot of people might have been waiting for me. I just think it is necessary for me to always tell you guys why I am absent if need be, right? If there's any absence like that. Okay, so she actually wanted to reach out to 32 persons and I'm happy, I'm grateful. The main reason why I'm doing this particular video here, right? I know that this is not like YouTube tutorial, but there is something that I understand about the Bible, which is give, it shall be given unto you, full measure shaking together, running over shall be a blessing, right? If I'm not quoting it very well. So guys, please, I'll be leaving her link. her channel link in the description box. Please, if you're watching this video, support her. She wants to feed 32 persons. Yes, even the budget she make when we went to the market, the price was really, really outrageous. That's just the honest truth. Please support her for me. Let her know that you're coming from Vibe Sonia. Let her know she is loved. Tell her thank you. It is not easy for you to give raw food, rice, beans, granite oil, red oil, Maggi, Indomie, salt to people, especially people that are not staying here, because she's not staying here. She's not in Nigeria. She is a Nigerian, but she's not staying in the country currently. And you guys know how things are up there. So this video might not be long, but this is just one of the major update that I didn't come to live stream 3 days. This was one of the reason. And secondly, we have a sponsorship. So, guys, if you also want to support her foundation, please feel free to go ahead and support her foundation. Like I said, I'm doing a full vlog, and that one will come on my Life of Vibe with Sonia's channel, and of which you guys know that definitely I'm going to be updating you guys. I'm going to be putting it out there so that you guys can actually see, you understand. Please support her foundation. If you have any sponsorship as well in mind and you want us to actually help you do it, reach out to people, even not necessarily food, clothes that you know you're no longer wearing that are very, very nice. There are people out there that are looking forward to wear them. You understand? People are really suffering. I have really been lamenting. If you have been following me on my lifestyle channel, I've really been lamenting. Even if your own is not giving them raw food, you want to cook, feed them, no problem. I can stand in gap for you. That's my job here, okay? I can stand in gap for you just as I'm doing for this my lady right now. I know that a little hand of help will not cause any harm, right, to anybody. So just feel free to like reach out to us. You can actually reach out to me on my mail. Then I can send you a WhatsApp number where we can communicate diligently and then have all the procedures followed and have all your analytics followed as well. We don't joke with that, okay? So, anyways, that is why I am a bit absent. That's why I've not even uploaded as well. All of the videos that actually went up are videos that I already pre-uploaded. So that is why when the last video dropped at the end of the day, there was no video actually going up in my channel. Guys, if you have not subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment. Lastly, do not forget to share. Like I said, I'll be leaving the name of her channel, the link to her channel in the comment section. This is like a shout out to her. Guys, please support her, subscribe, watch her videos, tell her you're coming from Vibe with Sonia so that she'll know that this thoughtful act that she have done, it is actually not a waste. Guys, thank you. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.